guys, it's Alex. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready for work. So I literally just got out of the shower. It is about like 1 o'clock right now, I think. Yeah, it's like 12:43 and I work at 4 today. I have my little schedule right here. Today is Tuesday. I work at 4. It's about 1 o'clock. I like getting ready early just so I'm not like running late, or I actually have time to like do my makeup and do my hair and stuff, but have all my uniform my hair, which is just black jeans, and my little blue little Domino's shirt. If you guys did not know, I work for Domino's for a delivery driver. Yeah, I literally just got out of the shower, have my hair up. But usually the first thing that I usually do is take a shower. I like taking a shower before work just because I feel clean and stuff, and I usually wash my hair and wash my body and just do everything in the shower like you're supposed to. But the first thing that I usually do after the shower is I usually put on my uniform. So I have my uniform right here, like I said. Also, before we hop in, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that big thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below what other videos you guys want me to do. But yeah, let's just hop right into the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to change because I'm wearing a towel and my hair is up, and put on my uniform. So let's do that. Alright, I don't even know if that was a bad transition. I'm really sorry, but I have my uniform on now. I also have my hair up in a towel. So I usually just go into my bathroom, but yeah, this is what my uniform looks like. It's just like a plain Domino's shirt and then just plain black jeans. But usually after I'm done putting on my uniform, I usually do my hair, and I'm just gonna like brush it, and then I'm usually just going to braid my hair. Alright, so now we're gonna do my hair. I'm just going to take my hair out of the towel. Not all the time. I usually wash my hair when I get into the shower, but today was hair washing day, so my hair is wet, and I'm just going to take my hairbrush and brush my hair. But sometimes for work, I'll usually just like take 2 pieces of hair right here and braid it, or I'll just like put it up in a ponytail because I usually have to put my hair up in a ponytail for work. But before I do anything to my hair, I'm just going to put some product into my hair. This is a Salon Select Instant Repair, just a leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to put some in my hand and just put that in my hair. Just a leave-in conditioner that I like using. Just apply that all over my hair. And then I'm going to take the Grantons for Teas like oil treatment that I showed in my haul. I'm just going to apply some to my hand. Just like a pin size, not really that much. And just rub it in. And apply that all over my hair. Because usually by the time I leave for work, usually my hair is pretty dry. So I'm just apply that all over my hair. Also, I'm really sorry if the lighting is really not good, just because I'm in my bathroom and it's usually not the best lighting. But usually after that, I usually just make sure my hair is all nice and brushed. Now I'm going to grab 2 little black hair ties, and I'm just going to braid my hair. I'm just going to kind of do a middle part. Like I said, not all the time I do something to my hair, but today I'm going to braid it. Plus I also have time. I'm going to make sure that it's like pretty straight. And then I'm just going to tuck this hair on this side behind my ear, and then I'm just going to take the little front pieces and just braid it. Also, it helps because my hair is short, so usually when I put it up in a ponytail, half of my hair usually goes up, so when I braid it, it's a lot better. And so just because all my hair is out of the way. Also not so tight, but just kind of like a loose little braid. And this usually takes me about like 5 minutes to do. And then usually when I get to like the center of my head, I just kind of like braid the rest and not gather more hair. I've tried to do like a full French braid, but my hair is still pretty short, so I can't really do that. And then usually when I'm done, I'll just grab a little black hair tie and just tie it off. And then just going to grab the other black hair tie and tie it off. And that's pretty much done with my hair. I usually just let it air dry, and then usually right before I leave, I usually put it up in a ponytail, but right now I'm not going to put it up. But yeah, that's pretty much it that I do for my hair. So now we can move on to the makeup. So now we can actually do my makeup for work. Usually for work, I usually just do like a natural little like eye makeup look. Before I do my makeup or anything, I usually use the Grantie's little skin micro water. I usually just take it on a little cotton pad. I have this little pack of cotton pads, and I just take one and just put it on the cotton pad and just like go over my skin. This usually helps to clean my skin and get like any makeup off that I didn't get off in the shower. And I feel like this has really helped with like my skin actually getting it clean. And this is like my third bottle of this, and I absolutely love it. I know there's another kind, but this one is like the all-in-one, like all skin type one. Also, I know the background, my room is a little bit of a mess. I still have my studio lights up because I was just filming a couple of days ago. But now for moisturizer, I'm going to use my e.l.f. moisturizer. I just like pump like 3 on my hand and just apply that all over my skin. I absolutely love this moisturizer. It makes my skin lay nice and hydrated and smooth. But again, usually for work, I usually just do like a really basic eye look. Sometimes I usually just don't wear makeup, but if I have time, I'll do some makeup. Also with the whole mask thing, I don't really like wearing that much makeup just because a lot of it does come off with the mask. But first, I'm just going to use my L'Oreal concealer and apply that to my eyelids. I use it as like an eye primer. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it out. But yeah, I've been working at Domino's for about 2 weeks, I want to say. I like wearing at Domino's. Just like overall delivery drivers, they just make like, not like good money, but with the whole like tips and stuff, you make pretty good money like every night. So now I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. If you guys saw my haul, I got this little It Cosmetics little eyebrow thing. And I've never used it, so I'm going to use it today. But it's like a little dually one. There's one side that has a little spoolie, and then the other side has the eyebrow stuff. I'm just going to use that to fill in my eyebrows. I usually don't fill in my eyebrows like that crazy. I just kind of like go over them. I think this shade is like Universal Taupe, but it's a little bit more of a lighter brown on my eyebrows, but it's fine. And then I'm just going to take the other side and just brush out the eyebrows. Now I'm actually going to move on to my face makeup. I'm just going to take my e.l.f. primer. I have no idea what that noise was. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I have no idea what that was. But I'm just going to apply that all over my face and then just blend it out with my finger. So now for foundation, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus little foundation. I absolutely love this foundation, but I usually just apply it all over my face, also down my neck and under my under eyes. Just pretty much applied everywhere. Beauty blender and blend it out. It just blends like so good. It doesn't really match my skin tone, that's why I did blend it down my neck. But usually once I like set it and put concealer over it, it usually matches pretty good. And it's also pretty easy to blend. Also, make sure you blend it down in your neck because we don't like the orange face with a line. So I usually make sure that it's blended everywhere, even on the ears. And also if I want like more coverage, usually under my eyes, but just apply some more and then just blend it. And usually when I use this, I usually don't use concealer because I don't really like having it so like cakey under my eyes, so I just blend it out. And to set all that, I'm going to use the Air Sponge powder. I'm just going to set my under eyes with it. I usually don't set with it, I just kind of like lightly powder everything. So I'll set my eyelids. I'm going to move on to bronzer. I'm just going to take my e.l.f. bronzer and just bronze my skin. Absolutely love this bronzer. This is literally from the drugstore for like, I think like $6 or $3. And it's so good. I usually just apply it pretty much everywhere, honestly. My new thing is love putting bronzer on my nose. I don't know why, I just do. And I'm just going to take a little brush and apply that to my crease, just lightly. Now for mascara, I'm just going to take my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara and just apply that to my eyelashes. I usually don't apply them to the bottom lashes. I use a different mascara for my bottom lashes. This is the Maybelline Falsies. I'm going to apply that to my bottom eyelashes. And then I take my highlight, which is the e.l.f. one, with a little like brush. Apply it everywhere that you would apply highlight. And then I take it in the inner corner and the eyebrow, and sometimes on the lid. That's pretty much it with my makeup. Now I'm going to take the little Morphe setting spray and just set my makeup. It smells so good, honestly. And I'm just kind of fanning it to dry it, and then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend it. Alright, so now I'm done with my makeup. I'm going to turn off my light. So next thing I usually do is usually grab socks and shoes. Usually for shoes I usually wear my Vans, but first I'm going to put on some deodorant and perfume because I do not like smelling bad. I hate when I can smell myself. It's like my pet peeve. I hate it. So I'm just going to grab my deodorant and put it on. It's about like 2:30 right now, and I have to leave like an hour, but if I'm early, I'm early. I don't really care. But I usually, before I leave, I usually go downstairs and sit with my nephew and stuff before I leave. And for today's perfume, I'm going to use the pink candy one. I'm just going to kind of spray it all over. But yeah, that's pretty much it right now. I'm going to actually go over here to where my snacks are. As you guys saw in my haul, I have a bunch of snacks. And I love grabbing food for work because I couldn't stop and like get McDonald's or something if I want to. But usually if it's pretty busy, and usually I always forget to eat. So I usually have like snacks that I grab. So for today, I got 2 of these. I have other stuff, but I like the little granola bars, and I usually just put it in my purse. And yeah, I usually just put on my shoes, and then I usually have my hat and my mask, but that's all downstairs, which I'm probably going to do that in a couple of minutes. But yeah, it's about 3:30 right now. I'm about to get ready to leave for work. So I have my purse. Also, I have my pen. You always need a pen for a delivery driver. And then I'm going to grab my phone. I always make sure my phone is usually pretty charged and stuff, because I don't want to be doing the delivery and then my phone dies. So I always make sure my phone is charged. So I'm just going to walk downstairs. we got a little sleeping little baby. Got one sleeping baby and another one. Hi, Mama. Hi, Sam. Hi, Pluto. Because I'm filming and getting ready for work, and I'm about to leave for work. But yeah, I have my masker and also my hat. So, bye, Sam.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, I'm kind of late. Not really, but my mom has her car in the driveway because I have to drive this thing for a delivery driver. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was kind of like all over the place. That's it, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.